Good morning and happy last day of school. We have a lot to do today and I know that we are so excited, but when we are all together, we need to remember that when we are sitting as an audience, our voices are off. And we will wait until the end to celebrate our friends and their accomplishments. Remember, when we're at an assembly, not everyone gets an award at every single assembly, and that's okay. It's okay to celebrate that your friends have accomplished something wonderful, okay? We have grown up so much this year, and you are ready for first grade. Let's start today with our Terrific Citizen Award. Are you ready? Yeah! Okay. Mr. Barnett is here to help us celebrate. He's with the Kiwanis. And he's here. Whatever. We change things all the time. All right. Zoe Talby is a winner, and she is enjoying summer today. We have Charlotte. Charlotte, we only have one. Charlie. You're going to have to tell me how to say it. Bird? Thank you. Are you here?
I asked you.
Come on down. I know first name. Come on in. Finley Baxter. Come on down. Marley Wise. Brigham Fordyce. Look at that first grader. Josie Ducharme and Roland Britton. And our terrific citizen, and she'll know why, is Mrs. Blondell on the last day. Hey! Come on down, Mrs. Blondell. Oh, Roland, yes. Did I say Roland's name? Roland? Okay, good. Good job, Roland. All right, we're going to go to Mrs. Sumner next with our Good Friend Award. All right, friends. All right, I am going to present the Fantastic Friend Award for this month. These friends are kind and helpful and friendly at school. Our first friend is Wyatt Cheney. Jane Holbrook. Millie Brown. Edward Alley. Voltron Jackson. Antonio Medrano. Tyler Connor. Congratulations to those fantastic friends. Yes. All right. I'm going to wait. I need all the eyes up here. Okay. We're going to go into our math award, and we have Community Bank here to sponsor this award. Listen carefully. Thank you, thank you. Oh, it's so beautiful. All right, Jack Myers. Congratulations. Juliana Peters. Pierce Wilson. Madeline Ebeck. Maddie Ebeck. Madeline. There you go, Miss Maddie. Coy, come on down. Oh, yes. Good job, Coy. Congratulations. Oh, boys and girls. Eyes up here. Voices off. Zachary Purtle. And Ronan Fuller. Congratulations, Ronan. All right, while they're finishing up, we're going to move on to our music superstars. This month, happy last day of school. Thank you. Liberty Barnett. Colton Bragg. Oh, boys and girls. Boys and girls. We want our families to be able to hear all of the awards that we are sharing. I know how excited we are, and I know that we are happy that it is the last day of school. But when our voices are on, then our camera picks up on all of those voices, and then our parents cannot hear all of the wonderful awards that are being shared. Can we turn our voices off? Nuh-uh. Turning them off. Thank you. I shouldn't have asked a question. All right, Colton Bragg. No. Okay. Jericho Albert. Tessa Williams. Brinley Dooley. Harley Jackson. Gunner, come on down. Our next award is our Art Achievement Award. Our first friend for the Art Achievement Award is Eldon Winder. Come on down. Gwen Lamore. Gwen. Everett Ellis. Come on, Gwen. Come on, Gwen. Jolene Robertson. Colton West. Lewis. And Cooper Gaddis. All right, our final award is going to be our PE award with Mrs. Mayberry.
All right, I have the award for my friends who did a great job in PE this month. My first one is Harper Conrup. Finley Carter. Marley Wise. Skylar Fiddler. Ella Lamata. Eli Stanridge. And Carson Troniger. There you go, buddy. Good job.
All right, thank you so much. We're going to take our final picture and then we're going to start with our yearbooks, okay?